Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WIN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, but does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few times recently, but after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. And what a good example of why it's always smart to lock in a little bit of gains as a trade plays out. Because overall, right here, this was a nice little move. Now, I realize that it doesn't look like one, but when you consider the price range that the stock is in, and then, if you were to use percentages, that was actually a nice little percentage move. This is why, like I said, not only what wasn't a nice percentage move, but then you never know when something like this could occur where, this thing just turned around in the blink of an eye and absolutely hammered the price. And all this was occurring on, the biggest volume that the chart has seen for a while. So case in point, nice movement to start the day, but it didn't last long, and then things turned around very quickly. But that does lead to our first kind of key update. And all this bloodshed finally did end down at 45. Now, does that mean that 45 cents is for sure the bottom? I'm not saying it's for sure the bottom, but it's at least logical to wonder and ask, hey, maybe this is the bottom, because with the price going sideways, that's what makes it logical. Case in point, if, all the price was doing was falling and falling and falling, and you're thinking, I wonder if this is the bottom. Why would you think that? That wouldn't make any sense, right? If a price is falling and falling and falling, why would you think it's the bottom? But right now, at least the price has started to go sideways. So is 45 cents the guaranteed bottom? No, there's no such thing as a guarantee. Is it logical to at least throw out there that, hey, maybe this is some sort of bottom? Yeah, that's quite logical. Now, in the event this is some sort of bottom and the price, starts to bounce and turn itself around, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce, going to be right up here at this former area of support, right there at 60 cents, just in case there's some sort of crazy bounce. The next level after 60 would be that former area of support up there at 77 cents. But before you start talking about doing battle or anything with 77, the bulls first have to prove themselves, not only just continuing to maintain above 45, but then they got to get up above that 60-cent mark. So crazy day today. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.